laughter. We have two of your favorite Nickelodeon stars ready to get crafty. Brianna Edie of the Haunted Hathaways.
Hi.
And Addison Ricky of the Thundermans.
Hello.
They are both ready to unleash their creativity using these Da Vinci stylers. And it's not just big. This summer's gonna be colossal. It's gonna be ginormous. There's gonna be thrills. There's gonna be chills. Because when the day gets hotter,
It's time to get in the water.
I'm not getting out.
We always say goodbye to her together.
It's stupid. It's not like she can hear us anyway.
Show your mother some respect. Give me the phone, please.
Finding the magic of friendship deep inside. Equestria Girls.
It has an odor to it.
When I babysit, I bring my own water.